Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a dynamic lighting to your photos, to your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version. This is PC version that you can download for free from official website. And here we go. Oh, of course, don't forget to sign in with your account. You can click apps to get started and click design essentials. Now you can scroll down, try to find lighting studio. Transfer your images with perfect lighting. Enhance your photos with dynamic, customizable lighting effects. Adjust color, position, and intensity to create stunning visuals and bring your images to life effortlessly. So let's start by maybe use in existing design, or you can start with your new design. And I want to search my design, of course. Let's try with these shoes. So here we go. Just simply click process image and wait. This can take a few seconds. And here we go. So this is the presets. So you can choose the presets here. So maybe this one, and here this is the ambient that you can set the intensity and also the color. You can set the power, and of course here you can try to change the position of the lightning and the distance. Here we go. So this is the very cool dynamic lighting to your product. So choose the presets and then set the power, set the intensity, and also distance and radius. If you're done, you can simply click add to design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.